It's FabFitFun's customization number 4. So if you want to hear all the details on all the confirmed choices, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I love all things FabFitFun here. My daughter Chloe's in the other room with her cat Dexter, and my dog Band is begging for food because it's dinner time, but I want to be here with you. I want to get these spoilers out to you. So let's jump right in. Welcome if you're new, if you're returning. Thanks so much for coming back. All right, number 1. The Day Hair Mirage Mist Leave-In Conditioner. This is a $30 value. It is a lightweight, milky conditioner that detangles, conditions, primes, and provides heat protection. Yay! It is a cruelty-free brand. There are no SLS, SLES, parabens, or phthalates, and no synthetic colors. This is a 5-ounce. It is female founded and will only ship to US and Canada. It got 4.5 stars out of 5 with 723 reviews from multiple of places. People say it's the holy grail. They love it. No fuss with their curly hair. Another person said it smells like an amalgam of perfumes one might find sprayed in a middle school girl's locker in 2013. That does not sound very good. A synthetic tangerine candy and a VS type sweet smell. The smell will be tolerable if it faded, but it stays. Okay. Wanted to love it but caused extreme migraines. Amazing. Somebody loves the brand. Another person loves the product and the signature scent. Smells amazing, but that's about it. Okay. So a mixed bag there. Although, again, the majority are 5 stars. Okay, next, Hold for 3-pack Ruffle Pilates socks, a $40 value for 3 socks. They're cute, but $40 cute? I don't know about that. It says it's a playful trio of premium grip socks featuring lemon cotton candy and cream navy with heart designs. It combines style and function with soft, durable materials and non-slip grips for added stability during yoga, Pilates, barre, or everyday wear. I don't need that in my shoes, but okay. They are one size, fits women sizes 4 through 12. They are machine wash cold inside out. They're made of 80% cotton, 15% polyester, and 5% spandex. And they are female founded with no shipping restrictions and no reviews. All right, now this is something I've loved. I've loved this product. I've had it in the past. That is by Dr. Brandt. It is the Microdermabrasion Face Exfoliator. It's a $79 value. And it says, polish like a pro with this med spa grade face exfoliator. It is a very deep exfoliator. It's not gentle is what I'm going to say. It offers the closest microdermabrasion at-home experience versus in-office procedures, inspired by the original microdermabrasion skin exfoliating procedure. This formula contains pharmaceutical-grade crystals, lactic acid, and soothing botanicals. It effectively removes dull, dead skin to reveal smoother, brighter, and more radiant skin. It helps refine texture, minimize the looks of fine lines, and enhances the overall skin tone, all from the comfort at home. This is not suitable for sensitive, irritated, rosacea, or acne-prone skin. Now, I have rosacea. I have used it. Yes, my rosacea is a little bit more pronounced afterwards. Okay. But it's very thorough. It got 4.7 out of 5 stars with 226 reviews. The very first one is a 1 star. They said that the package has changed and the formula didn't. It was a lovely minty product, lightweight with no heavy greasy oils, the finest grain of exfoliating particles. However, that being said, they've obviously changed the product's formula in the past year or so. They don't like the new one. It also has a higher amount of lemon citrus oil. Oh yeah, I'm seeing a lot of not the same old formula. So I don't know. I loved the old formula. I may not like the new one. So the old formula, again, I have rosacea. It made my face a little red, but it wasn't too bothersome. But this new formula could be. I think I'm going to pass on it. Now it does have, the crystals are aluminum crystals to exfoliate for deep yet gentle, not gentle, resurfacing without irritation, lactic acid exfoliant that boosts collagen renewal and reduces fine lines. It enhances skin moisture retention too. Botanical extracts, jojoba, aloe vera, and chamomile nourish, moisturize, calm, and soothe the skin. Allantoin causes keratin in the skin to soften. Green tea, white tea, and grapeseed extracts blend helps to protect the skin from free radical damage. All right, so if you don't have sensitive skin, this might be a good one for you. And there are no shipping restrictions on this. All right, next by Dr. Jart. FabFitFun seems to be really into Dr. Jart this year. In the April Beauty Box choice, there were, in one category, it was almost all Dr. Jart. This is their Everyday Sun Invisible Korean Sunscreen Stick SPF 40 with a $30 value. It says it's a no cast Korean face sunscreen with an SPF of 40 and hyaluronic acid. It's going to hydrate and blur pore and deliver a matte, non-greasy, invisible finish. It is free from alcohol, formaldehyde, and donors. Okay. Fragrance or synthetic fragrance, gluten, mineral oil, parabens, paraffin, petroleum, silicones, sulfates, sulfite, synthetic color, triclocarbon, triclosan, and animal-derived ingredients. That being said, they are not cruelty-free. So if that is important to you, this is not cruelty-free. This will only ship to the US. In an AI overview, it says that this is highly regarded for its convenient, non-greasy, and matte finish. However, some users find it needs regular reapplication to maintain the matte effect. As with any stick, a decent amount of product is needed to ensure full coverage. Now, Dr. Jart has faced a lot of controversies regarding the efficacy of its sunscreens, potential ingredient discrepancies, and its not cruelty-free status due to legal required testing. So, legally required testing, but where? Because I don't know that Korea has that. I know that China does, but they've even pulled back some of this. Some key issues include misleading SPF claims in Korea, and as of late 2025, Estee Lauder actually has started to divest from them. So they started to pull away, which only makes me like them. That did not make me not like them. But for SPF, if this is an issue, if there are misleading claims, I don't want to get involved in that, because I do have fair skin, and if something says it's a 40 and it's not a 40, it's a 20, that's going to be an issue. So I am going to avoid this product. But if because they're not cruelty-free, I tend to avoid this whole line. If they were cruelty-free and divest from Estee Lauder, I would consider them, but they're not cruelty-free. So there's that. So, you know, listen, I know FabFitFun doesn't watch my videos, but if you're from FabFitFun, be on top of this stuff. Most of us want brands that are cruelty-free. There's a big push for that. Listen to that. Listen to what the community wants. There are some people who they don't really care. I personally do. I'm a dog owner. I'm a cat owner. I love animals. I don't think they need to be tested for my beauty. There are perfectly reasonable other ways to test that, mostly through computers. It's more accurate too. I mean, AI is going to take over, and they're going to tell you if this is going to work or not. So I don't see any reason for that, and therefore I avoid those companies. and I wish FabFitFun would as well. All right, next is the Crystal Haze Crystal Hand Chain. It's $120. It's interesting. I've not seen anything like this, so I am interested in it. It is a highly rated, delicate accessory valued for its stylish, nostalgic aesthetic, connecting a bracelet to a ring. It features an 18-karat gold-plated brass and colorful charm options and blends playful, high-quality design with everyday wearability. It's generally considered a sturdy yet trendy piece. Now, that was my one concern, was how sturdy would it be? Would it break easily? They are saying it's sturdy, so okay. It says that it is 17 inches with a 2-inch extender. So it will extend out for some larger sizes of hands and wrists, I guess. Yeah, there is an extender on the wrist. This has cubic zirconia stones in it. It's female founded and ships everywhere. All right, next by Anna New York are some cheese knives. It's a set of 2. It's a $49 value. They're stainless steel with mother of pearl handles. One knife has a flat blade, ideal for slicing and spreading soft cheeses, while the fork tip knife is perfect for cutting and serving semi-soft or hard cheeses. It's elegant, durable, and suitable for entertaining, gifting, or everyday use. These are hand wash only. Do not put in a dishwasher. They are, you have to dry them promptly with a soft cloth to prevent watermarks. Avoid prolonged soaking to protect the natural mother of pearl handle. Are you getting that these are fussy? They're a little too fussy for my house. And there really aren't any reviews on this. There are no shipping restrictions. All right, next by Ilia is their Beauty Eye Stylist Stick in Adorn, Regal, or Opulent. It says that the pigment is waterproof and will last up to 12 hours. And it has a slanted tip. It's easy to be playful or precise, using the flat side for a wash of all over color, or the edge to line and define and brighten. This brand is vegan, cruelty-free, waterproof, sweat-proof, crease-resistant, and up to 12-hour wear. It is female-founded with no shipping restrictions. It received 4.4 out of 5 stars with 1,780 reviews. One person said that they swatched it in store and it seemed to blend beautifully on the back of her hand. But then when she tried it on at home, she wasn't impressed with how it looked on the eyes. It has a very thin formula, which feels nice upon initial application, and has a silicone feel that feels like it's smooth. It will smooth out easily. But when she went back to blend it in, it felt like the Pro wouldn't distribute evenly. Others say great range with fantastic pigmentation. Love it, but it needs work. Hard to apply. Adore. Not actually long wearing. Mixed bag. Also, there are no shipping restrictions on this. Next, also by Ilia, is the Beauty Fullest Volumizing Mascara. It's a $29 value. It has a violin-shaped brush to thicken and define lashes from root to tip with fluffy, flexible fullness you can't miss. Active levels of hair care ingredients promote stronger, healthier looking lashes with every coat. Smudge-free, flake-free, and safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. This is female founded. Again, no shipping restrictions. This got 4 out of 5 stars with 5,338 reviews. And one person says the brush is awkward for hooded eyes. Another says be careful. Why was it reformulated? It was perfect. So disappointed in the new changes. Not for me. Not what it used to be. Good but overrated. Did not work for me. I would not buy. All right, so not the best reviews. There are also 2 digital orders. Offers. The first is for Unhide. You're going to get $75 off when you spend $150. And then the other is for Digital Sleep. Unhide ships worldwide. Better Sleep is an app. You're going to get 4 months of their premium subscription. It has soothing audio and mixable soundscapes, 300 plus high quality sounds across categories like nature, white noise, water, ASMR, healing music, etc. Custom mix builder. So you can do like rain plus campfire plus delta waves, bedtime stories and sleep tales, a library of 100 plus narrated stories, fairy tale, sci-fi, kids mystery, whatever, meditations and hypnosis, guided meditations and hypnosis sessions, breathing tools and timers, guiding breathing exercises, timers for bedtime, sleep tracker and recorder, sleeping login with personalized insights, a sleep recorder that will capture you snoring, moving, or talking in your sleep. So this is a $40 value for 4 months, so about $10 a month, $39.99. So we're going to go with $10 a month. So if you do not cancel within 4 months, you will be charged $40 for your next 4-month term. And that is US only, which is weird because it's an app. I don't understand that, but okay. All right, so that is customization 4. Let me know your thoughts. What are you getting? I am going to skip the makeup. I'm going to get the hand chain, and maybe I'm going to get the day spray. I think those are going to be my 2 choices. All right, but let me know, what are you going to put in your box? What are you most excited about? Even if you don't get the box, play along. What would you put in? All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please continue hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.